Hey guys, Lazy Money UK here, showing you how to make money from home. Today, we're going to look at an app called BIGtoken, now that I can show you some payment proof. This app lets you answer micro-survey questions and pick up a few cents for each one. You can also form a team with other BIGtoken users and answer a daily question to get bonus points. Everyone on the team needs to respond within the 23-hour time limit for the team to get paid. The first team I joined when I got the app was called Passive Income Canada, and let me tell you, it was all passive and no income. The team leader sat on his hands and watched his team fail the challenge. I was so horrified by what I saw that I immediately left and started my own team under the Lazy Money UK brand. Now I simply remove people from the team if they haven't answered the question, so that my team wins every single day.
He'll be back.
After completing any action in the app, you'll also be eligible to claim a daily streak bonus, which adds up to about 40 cents per week. BIGtoken has a sweet referral system. You receive points from up to 9 levels of referrals down from you when these members complete actions in the app. On that note, please use my referral code so we can get a chain going.
The first thing to say would be that this is not pyramid selling.
You're doing pyramid selling?
No.
One last thing worth mentioning is that BIGtoken uses an unusual payment schedule based on 4 seasons. You have 3 months to earn as much as you can before putting in a redeem request at the end of the season. To complicate matters further, the app only lets you redeem 50% of your earnings in one go.
What? Sorry sir, that sounds a bit weird.
No, it didn't.
This rule is probably in place to make sure the app has enough money to stay afloat. Thanks for supporting my channel by sticking around until the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you found this content useful, and I'll see you next time with some more lazy money making tips.